guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to ignore or report messages in your messenger. Make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi and you have already logged into your messenger. If you are getting bothered by the messages in your messenger, you can easily report or ignore them. Now let's get started. Open your messenger. Here I go. Now choose the conversation you want to mute or report. Here I go. Now at the top you will be seeing the profile. Tap on that. Now scroll down. Here you can see that option ignore messages or report. You can tap on ignore messages and tap on ignore to ignore the messages. For now I will be not doing that. Also you can tap on report. Now you have to select a problem to report. Now I will be choosing harassment. Tap on submit report. In this way, you can easily report or ignore messages in your messenger. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.